Bore da blwyddyn wyth. Hope you're all okay today. In the lesson today, we're going to be working on ansoddeiriau, which is adjectives. Do you remember what an adjective is? Da iawn, it's a describing word. So here are some adjectives that you already know. They're not matched up though, so your first task today is to press pause on the PowerPoint and to match up the Welsh and English adjectives. You can jot them down on paper, you can write them down on a Word document, whatever you do, I don't mind, just so long as you send a copy to me. You will need these adjectives later on with your tasks this lesson though. Be careful with your spelling. We will look for your answers for the previous adjectives in a little bit, but now we're going to move on to some new adjectives. Now this time we've put mine in front of the adjectives, which means it's. Now mine, the apostrophe end there causes a soft mutation, so some of the adjectives have been mutated in the next slide. Okay, so for example, it will change from modern to fodern. First one is mae'n glyd, which means it's cosy. Can you all repeat, please? Mae'n glyd. Da iawn. Nesaf mae'n fodern, which means it's modern. Can you repeat, please? Mae'n fodern. Da iawn. Mae'n hyfryd is next. Hyfryd means it's lovely. Repeat, please. Mae'n hyfryd. Da iawn. Next we have mae'n gyfleus. Mae'n gyfleus. Pawb, please. Mae'n gyfleus. Da iawn means it's convenient. This one is an old house. In Gymraeg, it's old is mae'n hen. Pawb, please. Mae'n hen. Da iawn. This one is in the middle of nowhere. In Gymraeg, mae'n bell o bob man. I'll say it again. Mae'n bell o bob man. Pawb, please. Mae'n bell o bob man. Da iawn. Eto, please. Mae'n bell o bob man. Da iawn. That one isn't easy. This one is mae'n oer yn y gaeaf, okay, which means it's cold in the winter time. Pawb, please, mae'n oer. Da iawn, mae'n oer yn y gaeaf. Ac eto, mae'n oer yn y gaeaf. Da iawn. This one is mae'n rhy fawr, okay, which is too big. So pawb, please. Mae'n rhy fawr. Da iawn. This one is mae'n hyll. Okay, it's ugly. Pawb, please. Mae'n hyll. Da iawn. A'r olaf, last one today. Mae'n rhy fach. Okay, means it's too small. Pawb, please. Mae'n rhy fach. Da iawn. Ardderchog. So now I want you to really focus on learning those adjectives, please. Like we did last week or the week before, you can make magic learning cards if you find that those help you. I think they're brilliant because you can keep them for future reference, and also you can ask family members to help you learn and revise the adjectives as well. Here are the answers to the first task we did today. Okay, so diflas is boring, lliwgar is colourful, di-liw is without colour, ofnadwy is terrible, wedi torri, broken, bler is scruffy or untidy, cyffroes is exciting, and smotiau is spots. Now, the rest of the tasks for today's lesson are on the PowerPoint here, but they're also on the Word document for you on Teams. I think it's a little bit easier for you to do the work on Word because then you can edit the reading task grid. So I will leave you here. Thank you very much for listening, and I'm looking forward to marking your work. Diolch yn fawr.